My name is Christopher Nestor. I've been put in charge of presenting a plan on how to improve the organizational development within this organization. I'll be discussing how certain management techniques affect overall performance, the effects of diversity programs, and management's role in the company's commitments to that, and this plan will include how to improve and contribute to increased job performance and satisfaction levels of employees. And I will end with how I think we should implement the plan over time. Evidence-based management is a management tactic that can be used for making more effective research-supported decisions. Most of the time, managers will use intuition or base their decisions off of past experiences or go with their gut feelings to make their decision without really searching for the best and most effective solutions. According to Robinson Judge 2013, evidence-based management is basing managerial decisions on the best available scientific evidence, cited from page 11. A benefit to using evidence-based management is that over time it will lead to more consistency with reaching goals, and the team will understand the importance of evidence. And finally, as with all research, this will contribute to more knowledgeable learning, and managers can learn that there is more and more research being done daily, thus expanding their knowledge base. Another important factor in this plan is the role of emotional intelligence within management. Continuing in the same area, Robinson Judge 2013 stated that emotional intelligence is a person's ability to perceive emotions in the self and others, understand the meaning of these emotions, and regulate one's emotions accordingly in a cascading model, cited from page 112. Emotional intelligence affects an employee's self-awareness, their ability to control their emotions, and properly interpret others and their emotions too. As a part of my plan, I want to have our management team educated about how emotional intelligence affects the workplace and how they are able to change their habits and naturally become more aware and train their employees. Employee network groups are another important part of my plan. I would like to integrate employee network groups into this organization. They are also known as affinity groups or resource groups for employees. They're said to add diversity and provide appeal to outside individuals to want to join our team. These give employees an outlet for feeling involved in more inclusive cultures. According to a study done by the Society for Human Resource Groups in 2005, only 29% of the surveyed companies supported employee network groups. By utilizing these groups, management can make sure that their diversity commitments in the organization as a whole are met and remain constant. Moving along to diversity. Robinson Judge 2013 said that diversity is much more likely to be successful when we see it as everyone's business than if we believe it only helps certain groups of employees, cited from page 56. Continuing on that idea, it is imperative to focus diversity commitments and programs on senior and lower levels within the organization. If we solely focus on the lower level and diversity, then are we really advancing as an organization? Alongside with their employees, senior level individuals can benefit from being a part of these programs because they can teach. To ensure that we are encompassing an inclusive culture, we should alter our recruiting and selection process to be transparent in the job requirements and make sure that we match the candidates with the adequate skills necessary to perform that job. In my professional career, one thing that's really stuck out to me is employee recognition programs. These programs are motivating and boost employee self-confidence levels. A question that I have asked is how can managers know if their recognition is effective and positive unless they're gaining feedback and analyzing their employees' reactions from the recognition? Part of my plan is to integrate a brand new recognition program that will be accessible by all employees who can recognize their coworkers or managers for something small like taking the time to fill some office supplies or even going out of the way to please a customer and ensure that their experience was nothing but exceptional. Robbins and Judge 2013 note that the obvious advantage of recognition programs is that they are inexpensive since praise is free, page 259. We should take the time to understand what is important in each employee because some might enjoy being formally recognized while another might enjoy a simple email. Also, we can study the employees and how they enjoy their incentives, such as gift cards, maybe extra time for lunch, etc. This will contribute to job satisfaction and employees being motivated to reach their goals. As a management team, we can ensure that recognition is not given just because, that the program is utilized and effective in the essence that employees will understand the importance and how it contributes to team building, goals, and job satisfaction. And I will end with how I plan to implement this plan. Change in organizational culture is not something that is going to occur at the crack of a whip. My plan seeks to progress over time and introduce each factor to the team. It will require commitment from all members to ensure the full productivity and culture change / effectiveness. We must all understand the purpose and how it contributes to advancement as a team in the whole. Also, I think that we should hold weekly meetings as the transition takes place, addressing any issues that might arise and find the appropriate solution to solve that. My plan is not foolproof and I am open to suggestions for alternatives. I hope that you will join me in this plan and that we can initiate it together in our organization and lead our team to a successful future.